For most of human history, our progress was limited by tools. If you didn't have the right machines, the right skills, or the right resources, your ideas stayed ideas. A farmer couldn't just decide to build a factory. An artist couldn't wake up and make a movie. A kid with a dream couldn't just start a company. But that world, it's gone. Because for the first time ever, we've entered an age where imagination itself has become a tool. This is the age of imagination. And AI is the reason anything is now possible. Think about it for a second. If you wanted to create a product, you needed money. Engineers, designers, a factory, a website, a whole supply chain. If you wanted to make a film, you needed actors, cameras, lighting equipment, editors, and a crew. If you wanted to start a business, you needed a team, a budget, office space, and months of planning before you could even get started. Ideas weren't free. They cost time, skills, and infrastructure. But today, you can ask AI to design a prototype, code the website, write the pitch deck, generate visuals, and test different versions all in a single afternoon. The bottleneck isn't skill anymore, it's imagination. Every tool in history needed human direction. A hammer couldn't decide what to build, a computer couldn't decide what to code, even the internet can't decide what to search for. But AI is fundamentally different. If you can't describe the world you want to build, AI will start building it with you. You can't imagine a product and AI will prototype it. You can imagine a story and AI will outline it, animate it, score it with music. You can imagine a business and AI will design the workflows, predict the bottlenecks, and connect the systems you'll need to make it real. We've never had a tool like that before. This is the first tool that actually collaborates. It thinks with us. People keep saying AI will replace jobs, but that's not the real story here. The real story is that AI has turned words into creation. You can sit down, type one paragraph, and generate something that once required entire industries to produce. A single creator can now make a whole animated film, a fully working app, a complete brand identity, a marketing campaign, a business model, a product demo, a training curriculum, even a physical robot design, all from imagination. AI didn't kill creativity and multiplied it by 1,000. And here's the catch, AI can create ideas all day long. Turning those ideas into real-world outcomes, that requires coordination. Because real business isn't just ideas on the screen, they're people. Systems, suppliers, logistics, decisions, approvals, communication, workflows that need to actually work together. And this is where most ideas die. Not because they were bad ideas, but because nobody could orchestrate everything required to bring them to life. Which leads us to the biggest shift that's happening now. AI can generate thousands of possibilities for you, but you still need something that coordinates those possibilities. That's why the next breakthrough isn't just bigger AI model, it's AI orchestration. Systems that talk to each other automatically. Agents that coordinate tasks without waiting for human input. Workflows that automate themselves. Businesses that run like one interconnected mind. This is the layer most people aren't talking about yet. The layer that's going to separate the idea people from the actual builders of tomorrow. And this is exactly the layer we're building at ProQube. Not just automation, not just chatbots to answer questions, but orchestration AI that understands your business, your processes, your suppliers, your data, and coordinates all of that in one intelligent network. Because in the age of imagination, the winners won't be the ones with the best ideas, they'll be the ones who can bring ideas to life without friction. Think about this for a second. A kid with a laptop today has more creative power than a Hollywood studio had 20 years ago. A small business can now use automation that previously required enterprise budgets and dedicated IT teams. An individual can build what once required a team of 50 people. AI hasn't replaced the possibility, it replaced the limitation. The real story isn't AI can do everything. The real story is you can do everything. With AI, your imagination is now your biggest asset. Your words are now instructions, your ideas are now blueprints, and the only limit is how boldly you're willing to imagine. We're not living in the information age anymore, or the digital age, or even in the AI age. We're entering the age of imagination where anyone could build anything, where creativity becomes capability, and where the future belongs not to the most skilled, but to the most imaginative.